Good morning, dear students. Today our topic is prime numbers and composite number. Prime number are those number which has two factor. These are two factor 1 and the number itself. The number itself. Understand? We already read that what are factor. We will start from 1. We will or composite number are those number which have more than two factors. Understand? It may be 3, 4, 5 and so on, but always more than two factor. And prime number are those number which have only two factor. One is 1 and other is the number itself. Understand? We will start from 1. 1 is a prime number or composite number. You know, dear students, 1 has only one factor. Because no other number is which has one lie. If you multiply 1 2s are 2, it will be 2. It means 2 is not factor. 1 1s are only 1 is a one factor itself, because 1 is not a prime number and not a composite number. What is the reason of it? Because prime number have always two factor, 1 and the number itself, but 1 have only one factor which is itself, but prime number have always two factor, but here is only one factor. Hence 1 is not a prime number or not a composite number. Let us come on this 2. What is 2? What is the factor of 2? 1 and 2, because 1 2s are 2 and 2 1s are 2. Understand? Hence 2 have two factors, 1 and 2. What is the 2 is here? 2 is a prime number because it have two factor, 1 and the number itself. Hence 2 is a prime number. Understand? Next 3. 3 have 1, because 1 3 is a 3 and 2 in the 2 table it not come, and 3 1s are 3. It means 3 have only two factor, 1 and the number itself. It means 3 is a prime number. Understand, dear student? Next 4. 1 you can factorize it. 1 4s are 4, 2 2s are 4 and 4 1s are 4. It means 4 have three factor, 1 2 and 4. 1 2 and 4. How many factor is here? 1 2 and 3. Then we read that which have more than two factor. It is a composite number. Understand? Let us come on the exercise 5.6. It has the question number 1 is the only even number is 2. The only even prime number is 2. What is the reason of it? If only 2 is a even number which is a prime, and other all even number, other than 2 all even number is composite number. What is the reason of it? Because 2 have the only two factor, 1 and 2. Because here is two factor, it is a prime number. If we check above it all even number, After 2, 4. 4 have how many factor? 1, because 1 4s are 4, 2 and 4. How many factor is here? 1, 2, 3. Understand? Then 6, 1, 2, 3. Understand? And 6. How many factor is here? 4 factor. It means next 8, 1, 2, 4 and 8. How many factor is here? More than 2. More than 2 factor. Dear students, you can see here, because every even number have more than 2 factor, except 2, because 2 have only 2 factor, 2 and 1, and after it every even number have 2 is a factor. Because every even number is divisible by 2. Every even number is divisible by 2. Hence 2 is a factor of that number, and 1 is all numbers factor, and the number itself is a all number factor. It means 1, 2 and 3. It is a composite number. Understand, dear student? Next is B. There are dash composite number 1 and 20. What are the composite number which has more than the 2 factors? Then 4, 6. Why is 6 here? Because 6 have factors 1, 2, 3 and 6, and so on. You can check it. You can also, because 2 have only 2 factors, 2 and 1. 3 have 1 and 3. 5 have 1 and 5. 7 has 1 and 7, and so on. Understand? Which is the greatest prime number less than 50? Less than 50 means it have, if you descending order, 49, 48 and 47, because 49 have factor 1, 7 sons are 49, and number itself, it is a composite number. 48 is a even number, it is a composite number, hence 47 is true answer. The number 1 is neither prime or not composite. I give you reason, because prime number have 2 factor, but if we are saying about 1 have only 1 factor. This is 1. Each prime number has exactly 2 factor, 1 and the number itself. Hope you understand. If you, dear students, if you have any type of doubt, you can contact me. Thank you.